So today I'm showing you how to read a tape measure. The first small marks are all in 16ths. The next longest ones are in 8ths. The next are quarter and then half. So you go 1, 2, 3 16ths, or here's 8ths, 1/8, quarter, 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and then an inch. So then quarters is just 1/4, half, 3/4, and an inch. Then here's half, and then an inch. Then for layout, you got the 1 foot is marked clearly. 16 inches is in red usually. These all land on an 8-foot layout. And then the diamond gives you a little bit longer layout. 19.2 inches, still lands on 8 feet.